Greetings, fellow scholars. Here we are looking now at the addition portion for homework numbers 39 and 40 on Module 2, which is also number 6, parts Alpha and Bravo on your lesson presentation. Now, I just posted a video a little while ago for parts Charlie and Delta where we subtracted using base 5, and now we're going to add using base 5. I kept my numbers the same to keep it simple for myself, but when you guys do this, you are actually going to use the numbers given to you here, which I can actually do. Well, let's just go ahead and do it for you guys, huh? Just going to paste these right in here. All right, and that was now parts Alpha and Bravo. All right, so here for the first one, we have 3 ones, 3 5s, and 4 25s. That's what that means there, okay? Just the same as how we did it on the subtraction. Now here I have 3 1s, I have 3 5s, and I have 1 25. That's this number right here. 1 25, 3 5s, and 3 1s represented by these dots. All right, now over here I have 8 1s right here, right? 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. I have 2 5s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need another one. 6 25s. And then I'm going to add to that 3, just copying these and pasting them. This orange one over here was a mistake. It was selected. It wasn't supposed to be. All right, so here now I have 3 1s and 7 5s. So that means I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just start with those 5. And then 2 more. All right, so now I have 7 5s. All right, that's 73 in base 5. Now I'm going to be adding all of these things together. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean all of this up. Every time I have 5 of something, that means that I have the next number. So if I look over here, I do not have more than 5 of any of these items. Okay, but if you look over here, I do. I have 8 1s here. So that means, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like I'm missing 2. I need 2 more 1s. All right, so I have 8 1s here, and that came from this number right here, 628. So that means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these are going to come over here and be replaced by 1 green, right? So I'm going to delete those and add a green. All right. Now let's look down here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 5 greens are going to now become 1 orange. So I'm going to delete those and make another orange out of them. All right, so now we're ready to start adding things together. You can see here for my very first one, I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellows. So I'm going to move those down. But what do you know about 5 of those yellows? Well, they equal 1 green. So I can actually take these and move 5 of those over, delete them, and copy and paste a green, replace them for a green. All right, now what about my greens? I'm going to add these greens together. These are my fives. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Control copy, control paste. And I'm going to move all of these down here. But hopefully we know that every time I have 5 of these things, 5 greens, they're going to equal 1 orange. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 greens. I am going to move these over here and then delete them and control copy and paste an orange. All right, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges to add together. And as you guys know, these oranges here, I can just delete them, or well, these 5 oranges are going to become one of these over here, which do not yet have a color. So I'm actually going to just delete all of them but one, because 5 of them equals 1, and we will make this value be, how about this blue color? All right, so now my answer is 1, 1, 2, 1. I have 1 5 to the third power, 1 5 squared, 2 5 to the first power, and 1 5 to the 0. That's how you write the number there. All right, so let's take a quick look over here. I'm going to go a little bit more quickly here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that gave me 6 ones. But then I know that I'm only going to keep one of those, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are going to make a green. So I need a green right here to replace those. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 greens. Those 5 greens that I just added together are going to now make an orange. So I can delete those and replace them with an orange. All right, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, actually, I could have already taken these 6 and moved them over, couldn't I have? I could have already had those 6 over there and have had replaced them with one of these if I had noticed earlier. Either way, it's going to become a blue. All right, so now I have 1 orange here, and it's going to come down. And then the only thing to add over here is my blue. All right, so now the answer over here is 1, 2, 1, 1. I have 1 5 to the third value, 2 5 squareds, 1 5 to the first, and 1 5 to the 0. And that's how you add in base 5.